Are you kidding? So welcome to another vlog video. This one's gonna be interesting for sure. We were on Willard the other day, one of our favorite hikes in the Whites, and the intention was to do a little vlog that day in the winter, beautiful day out, and things took a bit of a turn.
So I lost my phone in the snow. It was right next to me, fell out of my pocket, disappeared into the snow. We couldn't find it. No signal, find my iPhone didn't work. So I went online and I bought a metal detector, and we're gonna go hike back up there and do some detectoring. And it actually does work. Beep, 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 beep. But we'll see if it works today.
This video is either going to end really, really badly, or we're gonna be super excited. So we'll see. Let's go.
How are we feeling?
Weirdly excited. I know that's kind of like a weird thing to say because we're going to dig out your phone that's been buried in the snow for 3 days. But I have hope. I have this overwhelming feeling that we're just gonna strike gold, if you will, and return with your phone in hand. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you?
I don't know. I don't want to jinx it.
So we're back on Willard. Way more snow and on a mission to find this phone. Let's just take a moment and look at how gorgeous this hike is. Oh, hello. Through the trees. Evan is clearly just here for moral support and a day in the snow. At this point, we don't even know if we're gonna find the phone. We're hoping we will. By the time this vlog is published, you guys will know. You'll have an idea better than we will. So just a little quick context in case you're tuning into the video halfway for some reason. Although this looks like a beautiful hike, and it is, we're out here today to retrace our steps and find Anna's phone, which we lost at the top of the summit a couple days ago. Normally, it'd be easy to just get a new phone, move on, but we came to realize that not a single photo or video from the last year or 2 years was backed up. Very, very upsetting. So we made the decision to make this a bit of an expedition hike. And as you guys can see with our shovel and our metal detector, we're not messing around. Is it a Hail Mary? Maybe, but we're doing it anyway. Got about a quarter mile left, not even. Crossing our fingers. We're gonna take lots of photos. It's beautiful up here. Oh man, there's a lot more snow up here than there was last time. Back at the scene of the crime. Following Anna. Right back here. Seems like people have been hiking through here.
I know.
So it could be anywhere in here. And there was actually not as much snow in here last time. It snowed probably about a foot in here since we were just here. So we're gonna have some digging to do.
Here. Down like this, I put it in my pocket, and then I came out. We took the photo right here.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
back it up.
That took all of 5 minutes digging around. There's like literally a foot of snow. Props to Evan for metal detecting game. I cannot believe that.
I was like looking over here. I'm like, we're not gonna find this. We're not gonna find this.
No freaking way.
Oh my God.
Wow, it looks actually fine. It just looks cold.
Oh my God.
How do you feel right now?
I'm like shocked that this is happening. I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm gonna wake up in my bed right now. I can't believe it.
So how much was the investment of that metal detector?
$100 and I'm keeping it forever.
It must have fallen right here, and we took this photo. I don't know if the photo's worth it, but this trip definitely was. How many photos would you have lost had we not come and found this phone?
8,000, at least the past year and a half
of
really, really amazing memories.
Just goes to show you, priceless. Like we literally hiked back up here. It's about 18 degrees outside right now to find this phone. So I guess the lesson here is just like back up your stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Always check iCloud
and
because
have two great expeditionists with you to come on this mission.
Or if you don't back it up, invest in the metal.
Man, oh man, I still can't believe we found it. And I know to most people it sounds pretty ridiculous that we are celebrating just finding a lost phone. You can get a new one, and yes, that's true. But the biggest reason we came up here is for all the memories and all the photos and videos and the experiences that Anna lost that weren't backed up. That is way more important than any material thing. The phone, it's just an item that can be replaced. It was these little moments that she lost from the van, from being with family, from being with friends, goofy, off-the-cuff moments that you forget about. Having digital representations of this on a phone they're important. They're what we hold on to. And as upset as she was, it was important that we found this because of that. I guess the point of this is, cherish those experiences, cherish those moments, back up your stuff, back up everything you have, if it's on the cloud, if you have it on drives, and hold on to all those moments because that's really what's important. For those that are already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. We really appreciate the support. And for those that are new here, welcome. We are really excited to have you. This year is going to be an amazing year. I think we're gonna hike down the mountain, reflect on the day, calls for a little bit of a celebratory beer tonight, and we'll see you guys on the road.
Oh, 11,000 photos are there. This is not real.
Oh my God, here.